Hello, good day, and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Chemistry Past Question 19. Which of the following will produce a solution with pH less than 7 at equivalent points? Now, looking at this given reactions, we are actually given a reaction that is a neutralization reaction, because a reaction involving an acid and a base on alkali to give salts and water is known as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Now, looking at this, the question is asking us for the reaction that will actually produce a solution with pH less than 7. It simply means that this resulting solution or the resulting salt will be what? Will be acidic. Now, for you to have a salt that will be acidic from any of this reaction, it simply will involve a reaction involving a very strong acid and a weak base. Because if you are reacting a strong acid and a strong base, you definitely get towards a neutral salt. Then a strong acid and a weak base will give us a what? An acid salt. A weak acid and a strong base will give us a what? A basic salt. And then a weak acid and a weak base will give us a normal salt. Now, looking at this, HNO3 is a strong acid, H2SO4 is a strong acid, and HCl a strong acid. But sodium hydroxide here is a strong base, and potassium hydroxide is a strong base, but magnesium hydroxide is a weak base. So it simply means that since hydrochloric acid, which is HCl, which is a strong acid, HCl, a strong acid, once it reacts now with magnesium hydroxide, which is a weak base, it will definitely give us what? Magnesium chloride, which is a what? An acidic salt. So therefore, now the resulting solution now of this reaction, which is this magnesium chloride, is what? Will be less than 7 because an acidic salt. So the answer to this question actually is option C, HCl, hydrochloric acid plus magnesium hydroxide, because this is a strong acid and this is a weak base. But option A here, we have a strong acid and a strong base, that will give us a normal salt. B, strong acid and a strong base, also a normal salt. And C, strong acid and a strong base, a normal salt. But C, strong acid and a weak base, and that will give us an acidic salt. So option C is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.